Meet Steve. Steve is always looking for ways to find new clients, customers, and strategic partners. He's tried everything from search engine optimization, online directories, networking events, telemarketing, lead companies, and spends hours every day on social networking sites like LinkedIn and Facebook. Steve just wants one place where he can go to communicate with like-minded business professionals, anytime, online, and in real time. Well, now he can, and so can you. World Trade Expo is an online marketplace expo that operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Here, Steve can find his specific industry or compatible industry by clicking on the appropriate expo building. Set up a booth in the exhibition hall of his specific industry where he can display information about his company, post a video, and even have live chat with those who visit his booth. The best part is that every attendee at the expo has supplied their business information, and when they visit Steve's booth, Steve now has their information in his admin panel and can email them more information about his products and services. Steve can also register as an attendee. Attendees at the World Trade Expo find companies, products, and services that appeal to them. Talk directly with company representatives via live chat. Watch live streaming events in the auditorium, and can go to a networking lounge where they will be able to chat with other attendees live and in real time. No more waiting for an email, or in-mail, snail mail, or bulk mail. Talk right now with those you'd like to do business with. Join Steve and the thousands of other companies and attendees right now. Don't wait to collaborate or generate leads any longer. Register at worldtradeexpo.net right now and start talking with people rather than trying to find them.